So we like to show you a lot of cool exhibits and learning experiences at the Arizona Science Center. And one of the most popular attractions is an interactive water exhibit in the building's atrium.
Yeah, they always have some great exhibits there. So Renee is, well, she brings it to us now. Hey, Renee.
Hello, Renee.
Hey, guys. Yeah, we are out at the Arizona Science Center this morning, and we are at the Water, Spheres, and Gears. I practiced that a couple of times. Take a look. This is the museum's, one of them anyways, most popular attractions. And why? Well, because we're surrounded by water, right? Hey, Sari.
Hi, welcome. You're right, you found it. This is one of our most popular attractions out here. Adults and kids all love to get their hands wet, dirty, and have a little fun with science.
Why? What's so exciting about this?
I think because we nailed it. I think because you get wet and you can see different things happen that you don't expect with water out here. So even this exhibit behind us, let's even give that a try. So I'm going to have you do it, actually.
You're grabbing the mic, which is great. She knows how to do this.
I do. Yep. So you're going to go ahead and roll the ball down and see if you can get the water on. And we're going to try and see if we can shoot the ball up with the water. And it's going to push the ball up into the basket. Oh, that was pretty close
Almost
that time.
Nailed that one.
Good. We'll give one more try and we'll check out some of the other areas.
Okay, so I'm going to try one more time. No, that was bad.
That's all right, but it's a chance to try it over, and that's that opportunity to just explore and experiment, like I mentioned, with water.
Okay, so we've got adults out here today, but we've got some kids groups coming out. You know, they kind of gravitate towards this area. What do you hear the kids say?
You know what? It's a lot of oohing and eyeing, and oh my gosh, Mommy, can we go out there again? Daddy, can we play out there? Or even just the adults that are here with school trips. They're trying to learn a little bit about physics and water. You see things that are unusual here, like the laminar flow mushroom cloud. Matter of fact, let's walk over to this one that has the fog in it. So your guests may be looking at it right now and notice that it's filled with fog, and that's not something you would expect, that water can create almost a film barrier. So go ahead and reach your hand in there.
Okay, so they're encouraged to touch it.
Absolutely.
Oh, it's warm too.
It's warm, and so we've got it rigged with fog inside so that you can see that the water can actually hold the fog in. Isn't that beautiful?
That's incredible. So you're learning part of this as you're out here playing in the water, adults and kids the same. Now, Sari, it's not the warmest day out here. I assume on the warmer days, maybe even more people out here, but how does that affect, people coming out to this part of the museum?
Well, as you can imagine, on our warmest days, we all want to get a little bit cooler here during the summer in Phoenix, so this is a place that's very popular. So we see this area packed as people want to have a little fun. It's not a splash pad, but it is a place to get a little wet, and we don't see a dry piece of clothing leave this area usually in the midst of summer.
Well, this is pretty spectacular too. Tell me about this one.
Oh yeah, so this is a vortex. Those of you who have ever taken a bath have seen this as the water goes down the drain, and it's a chance to watch as the balls follow the motion of the vortex right out the bottom. And of course, we've got an adult here doing it, having some fun, just putting the balls in over and over, and the kids make it a game to try and get the basket. Oh, and we just saw a ball shoot over from the top here too a second ago.
What is it about water that makes it so mesmerizing for people? I mean, even just watching this.
You know, I think people just enjoy playing with it. And here in Phoenix, we are conscious of our water. It gives us a chance to talk about it, how important it is as a resource here, particularly in the Valley in Arizona. And we can just have some fun in a natural way.
What about therapeutic qualities?
You know, I guess I can't really speak to that so much, but I find it therapeutic.
I hear
others may as well.
I hear water is medicine, so we're having some therapeutic time out here as well.
Well, water's definitely necessary for life, so we have a little fun with it here.
Well, this is definitely fun. Sari, thank you so much. Hey guys, Arizona Science Museum, and it's not the hottest day out here today, but it is a perfect day to be out here playing in the water like any other day. We've got field trips coming up in just a few minutes, but right now, I'll send it back to you. We'll see if we can.
That is so fun out there at the Arizona Science Center.
A little
it's so cool. The kids love it. They have like a coding exhibit and an airplane exhibit.